Think you know motorbikes? Bet you did not know these 5 wild facts. Let us roll. The first motorcycle ran on steam, built in 1867. Basically a kettle on wheels. Some bikes get over 100 miles per gallon. While cars cry at the pump, bikes just laugh. The Dodge Tomahawk hits 350 miles per hour. That is a 2-wheeled missile. In the 1950s, bikes meant rebellion. Leather jackets, loud engines, and 0 rules. Longest wheelie ever? 330 kilometers. Man turned Earth into a skate park. Which fact blew your mind? Do not forget to comment if you are a true rider and follow for more.